Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching the video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, sci-fi attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.0, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, guests will be required to present photo ID and check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is excellent for guests to enjoy the surroundings. Online, you can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various plans and payment policies. For more details, check link in the description. You are facing many type of problems. Check out this property, share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel, you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any video or upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.